Hi friends! A 3D effect adds depth or emphasis to the text or image. Let's go ahead and see how you can add 3D effects in a Word 2013 document on your Windows 8.1 PC. Open any Microsoft Word 2013 document. Under Insert tab, click Picture and then select the picture that you want to insert. Under Format, click Picture Effects, select 3D Rotation from the drop-down list, and then select the appropriate 3D style. To define more 3D effects to your picture, select 3D Options. In Format Picture tab, under 3D Rotation, select appropriate options under Presets. Collapse 3D Rotation and then expand 3D Format. In 3D Format, select appropriate top bevel, bottom bevel, depth, contour, material, and lighting options. Hope this was easy. Thanks for watching.